Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you three travel apps you must have in 2026. Let's go. 1. Google Maps, virtual real-time AI navigation. Why is useful? It shows digital scene right on the street so you never get lost in a new city again. Next, 2. Trip virtual auto in a gallery scene. Why? It's useful in keep all my files, hotel and bookings in one place. Automaticity super organized. 3. Iralo Instant Global Data. Why? It's useful. You can get local internet the moment language switching bicycle sim. Conclusion. There are my top picks. What app do you use? Let me know in the comments. Bye.